If you're like many of the finance leaders we speak with, your team likely spends its day buried in spreadsheets, chasing approvals, and reconciling accounts. Meanwhile, strategic work like analysis, forecasting, and cash flow planning gets deprioritized. It doesn't have to be this way. Finance automation eliminates manual work, increases accuracy, and frees up your team to focus on high-value tasks. For instance, analyzing the drivers behind revenue changes rather than just reporting on them. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn what finance automation is and how it works, 5 benefits it offers your team and business, which tasks you should automate, 5 practices to deliver value faster. What is finance automation and what are the benefits? Finance automation is the use of software and AI to complete tasks without human intervention. You can automate a single process, like reconciling a payment, or your entire accounts payable workflow using a series of predefined tasks and triggers. In both cases, work that used to require constant manual attention now runs in the background accurately and consistently, even outside business hours. Finance teams are quick to see value in automation. Key wins often take the form of increased operational efficiency. Automating time-consuming manual tasks lets finance teams reclaim dozens of hours each week. Fewer errors. Unlike manual data entry, which is prone to human error, automated workflows follow predefined rules and flag discrepancies. More consistency. Every invoice flows through the same approval chain, and every reconciliation follows the same logic. More accurate reporting. Automated systems collect, validate, and visualize financial data from multiple systems in real time. Smarter business decisions. Finance teams reclaim the time and data they need to identify trends, spot risks, and seize opportunities. Ultimately, finance automation means lower costs, greater efficiency, and better financial performance. What tasks should finance teams automate? Here are 5 of the most common financial tasks to automate. 1. Accounts payable. Accounts payable is one of the most time-consuming tasks in finance. Think about what happens when you receive an invoice. Someone manually enters the information into your accounting software. Another person cross-references the figures, a manager approves it, and finance schedules a payment. That's a lot of manual work, which leaves considerable room for error. Here's what it looks like with automation. When an invoice arrives, OCR technology scans and extracts the information, uploads it to an ERP system, and matches it against the original PO. It can automatically route it to the appropriate approver and, once approved, schedule the payment. That means less manual effort, fewer late payments, and better cash flow. 2. Mass payouts and contractor payments. If you work with contractors, freelancers, suppliers, or global partners, paying them manually can prove incredibly time-consuming. You must collect payment information, verify tax details, handle multiple currencies, and process payments using various methods. With automation, your system handles all of this ongoingly, so you don't have to. It can onboard payees efficiently and securely, collect and validate tax forms, and route cross-border payments through the proper channels, all while keeping you compliant. That's especially valuable when you're looking to scale your business while managing multiple global payments on time. 3. Reporting and analysis. Closing out the month can be laborious. It can take weeks to pull data from different systems, reconcile accounts, and create reports. With intelligent automation, your system continuously pulls in data and automatically reconciles your chart of accounts. Once it's in your system, you can use AI to explore reports and ask questions using a natural language prompt like, "Show me all invoices greater than 10K that are due by the end of this month." Your system can generate a custom report in seconds, which your team can refine as necessary. Reports aren't just quicker to create, they're more consistent too. Each report follows a consistent structure and tracks the same key metrics. Stakeholders get insights in the format they need when they need them. 4. Tax compliance. Tax compliance is non-negotiable, but it's also incredibly time-consuming as global tax complexity continues to increase, especially when you're paying contractors, freelancers, or global partners at scale. Manually tracking deductions, calculating provisions, managing quarterly filings, staying on top of changing regulations, calculations, it all takes a lot of work. Automation streamlines processes and helps keep everything in order. It starts with scanning technology, which digitizes key documents like receipts, invoices, bills, packing slips, 1099s, VATs, and other contractor forms, and it turns all the data into a searchable and scannable format. So when audit time arrives, everything is documented, time-stamped, and traceable. Audits that used to take weeks are now handled in days. Finance automation implementation best practices. Now the exciting part, actually implementing finance automation. Here's how to do it right. First, evaluate your current processes. You'll want to document everything: how data enters your systems, who is responsible for what, where bottlenecks occur. Ask your team when they feel like they're wasting time and where mistakes occur. The pain points that team members identify are gold mines. It's here that automation will deliver the most impact. Then, assess your tech stack. Automation software is only as powerful as your ability to connect it to your existing systems. If you already have an accounting platform, ERP system, and multiple bank accounts in place, your automation solution needs to work seamlessly with what you've got. Otherwise, it's just another manual process to manage. The number and quality of integrations should be a major factor in your decision. That's where modern finance automation platforms stand out, including Tipalti. Tipalti integrates natively with most accounting systems and ERPs like NetSuite, Intact, Acumatica, and Microsoft Dynamics. It connects to global banking networks, syncs with your vendor databases and contractor onboarding systems, and ties directly into your core financial records. All of this ensures that data moves automatically between platforms, no manual entry, duplicate work, and painful reconciliations. Next, determine which tasks are most important. You cannot automate everything at once, so pick one or two processes that are causing the most friction. If you're unsure, try automating accounts payable. Once AP automation, procurement, or even mass payouts are working smoothly, you expand to other areas like payroll or reporting. Whatever you do, start small. A pilot project gives you a chance to test workflows, find bugs, and refine your system. Take a subset of your invoice volume or a particular vendor set, run them through your automated workflow, and check if the system extracts data correctly, approvals route as expected, everything actually works as designed. Once you've worked out the bugs, you can expand gradually. Perhaps you can automate another vendor segment next, then another. Build confidence and capability as you go. Finally, test, evaluate, and repeat. You cannot remove humans from your process completely, at least at first. You'll want to regularly review your workflows, gather feedback from your team, and make adjustments accordingly. Eventually, you'll have everything running so smoothly that you'll be able to take your eyes off a process. But that just gives you time to automate something else. Finance automation isn't a set-it-and-forget-it process. It's a living system that improves over time. Ready to learn more? Thanks so much for watching our video on finance automation. If this sounds like something you want to dig deeper into, we've created the ultimate guide to finance automation specifically for that. You'll find the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Tipalti's YouTube channel for more videos on finance automation and global payments.